Hey guys, I'm Violette and we're on set today for my shoot for InStyle with the beautiful Josephine with glitter eyes, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what we're doing. So basically the skin has nothing, I just put a little bit of highlighter because I think when you're having such a statement on your eyes it's good to keep the rest super easy, so it's a good balance. And we focused on the eyelid where I put copper and gold glitter with a bit of glitter glue because this glitter is a bit large, which is good because that's gonna reflect with the light a lot. So the more disco ball effect you want, the thicker the glitter should be.